Cats' unique senses, how they see, hear, and smell the world differently. Cats have fascinated humans for thousands of years. Their mysterious behaviors, graceful movements, and independent personalities have made them beloved companions around the world. One of the reasons cats seem so enigmatic is because their senses are vastly different from ours. Their extraordinary hearing, vision, and sense of smell allow them to navigate their environment with precision and agility that humans can hardly comprehend. In this article, we will explore how cats perceive the world through their unique sensory abilities and what makes their senses so remarkable. One of the most striking differences between human and feline vision is how cats see in low light conditions. Unlike humans, who rely heavily on color perception during daylight, cats are crepuscular animals, most active during dawn and dusk. Thanks to their specialized eyesight, cats possess a layer behind their retinas called the tapetum lucidum. This reflective tissue acts like a mirror, bouncing light that passes through the retina back into the eye. This adaptation significantly enhances their ability to see in dim lighting. When light hits a cat's eyes in low light conditions, it reflects off the tapetum lucidum, creating that characteristic glow often seen in photographs taken at night. This glow is not just for show. It's a vital feature that allows cats to hunt effectively during twilight hours when many prey animals are active. Cats' eyes contain a high number of rod cells, photoreceptor cells responsible for vision in low light more than cone cells, which detect color. This means they excel at detecting movement and shapes in darkness, but are less sensitive to color details compared to humans. While humans have 3 types of cone cells enabling full color vision, cats have only 2 types, limiting their color perception primarily to shades of blue and greenish yellow. Another interesting aspect is their wide field of view, about 200 degrees, allowing them to monitor their surroundings effectively without turning their heads. Their eyes are positioned more frontally than many other animals, but less so than humans, giving them excellent depth perception necessary for stalking prey. Despite their impressive night vision, cats do not see the world as vividly colorful as humans do. They are essentially dichromatic, seeing mainly blues and greens, and may struggle with reds or oranges. This limited color palette is sufficient for hunting and navigating in low light, but makes their perception of colorful objects quite different from ours. Cats' hearing is arguably one of their most extraordinary senses. Their ears are highly mobile and capable of detecting a broad range of frequencies far beyond human capabilities. Humans can hear sounds roughly between 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Cats, however, can perceive sounds from about 48 Hz up to 85 kHz, or even higher in some cases. This means they can detect ultrasonic noises that are inaudible to us, sounds made by rodents or electronic devices, and this ability plays a crucial role in hunting. A cat's ears can rotate up to 180 degrees independently of each other. This mobility allows them to pinpoint the exact location of a sound with incredible accuracy, sometimes within just a few centimeters. When a cat hears an intriguing noise or detects movement outside, they often turn one ear toward the source while keeping the other focused elsewhere. This helps them analyze sounds more effectively. The shape of a cat's ears also enhances sound collection. The pointed tips act like funnels, directing sound waves into the ear canal. Combined with their ability to move each ear independently, cats can quickly determine whether a sound is coming from above, below, or behind them. A vital skill for both hunting prey and avoiding danger. This acute sense of hearing is an evolutionary adaptation inherited from wild ancestors who relied on sound to hunt small prey like mice or birds at night. Even domesticated cats retain this skill. They often respond to ultrasonic devices or high-pitched noises that humans cannot hear. While humans rely heavily on sight and sound for understanding our environment, cats depend significantly on their sense of smell. A sense so powerful that it influences almost every aspect of their behavior. Cats possess approximately 50 million olfactory receptor cells in their noses, far more than humans, about 5 million. This abundance allows them to detect minute chemical changes in their surroundings with remarkable sensitivity. Cats use scent as a primary means of communication. They have scent glands located around their cheeks, paws, tail base, and face. When they rub against objects or people, they leave behind pheromones that convey information about identity, territorial boundaries, or emotional state. Their keen sense of smell helps them locate food even when it's hidden or scarce. They can detect prey from considerable distances by scent alone, a trait inherited from wild ancestors who relied on olfaction for survival. Cats recognize familiar people by scent as well as by voice or appearance. A change in scent can cause confusion or stress. Thus, they prefer familiar environments where scents are consistent. Interestingly, cats can distinguish between different individual scents with high accuracy, a trait useful for social interactions within colonies or households. Beyond sight, hearing, and smell, cats also possess other sensory adaptations. Whiskers, vibrissae. These long facial hairs are highly sensitive tactile sensors that help cats navigate tight spaces and judge distances. Taste. Cats have fewer taste buds than humans but possess specialized receptors for amino acids like taurine, a nutrient essential for feline health. Touch. Their skin contains numerous nerve endings, allowing them to feel textures and vibrations. How these senses work together. The combination of these heightened senses makes cats exceptional hunters and explorers. For example, in low-light conditions at dusk or dawn, when they're most active, enhanced night vision allows them to see prey. Sharp hearing detects even faint rustling sounds indicating potential prey or danger. An acute sense of smell helps confirm visual cues or identify familiar individuals. Whiskers provide tactile feedback about nearby objects when visibility is limited. This sensory integration enables cats to be stealthy stalkers capable of catching small animals efficiently while remaining alert to threats or changes in their environment. Understanding how cats perceive the world not only deepens our appreciation for these mysterious creatures, but also helps us better care for them by respecting their sensitivities. Whether it's recognizing why your cat reacts strongly to certain sounds or why they prefer certain scents or environments, knowing about their unique senses enriches our relationship with these fascinating animals.